All right, guys. Doing a little help video this time. Going to give you some ideas. Don't forget, prove just means we're giving you the answer, and you just have to prove it using this equation right here. So one of the things I need you guys to remember about a vertex is the x value of the vertex is equal to negative b over 2a, and that you need to use this information to find your y value here. Okay, so that's a little bit of a hint. So don't forget, when you plug in an x, you get out a y. All right, so when we're proving that the above that they're solutions, don't forget that if we graph this, I still can't draw lines that way. If we graph this, and it's saying that we have this little graph that goes something like that, let's say, and we have -1, and we have -2, and we have 0, and we have 1. This is saying, don't forget what this is actually telling us. This is saying that there's an answer in between here and in between here. And the way you prove, remember, the way you prove if it's a solution is where the x-intercept is. And the x-intercept is always where the y value goes or changes, I shouldn't say goes, or changes from a negative to a positive. So when this is where our negative y values are, right? Negative y value, negative y value. Here's our positive y value. And we prove it by showing that a y value changes. So how do you prove that a y value goes from here to here? That's all we got to do is we got to learn how to prove these things. So refer back to your notes and look how we prove that in class. All right, so don't forget the range has to do with our y values. And don't forget to look at your vertex to find this one. Morning. I'm in the middle of a video, but hey, how we doing?
All right, this is just
all right.
What I thought you might want to see.
Okay.
See if that works for you.
Okay, I'll look at it. Okay. Let me finish this one up. This is that help video.
Okay, cool.
All right, guys. So when we're looking for rate of change, don't forget our rate of change is a change in y over the change in x. And remember, we're asking you what is the using the equation in 1. So we've got to go back up and look at 2x squared plus 2x minus 3. We've got to use these x values to come up with our new x and y values. Okay, so we've got to come up with our new x and y values. So how do we use this x value and this equation to come up with new y values so we can use our change of rate of change formula? All right, and we're almost done with the little help video, guys. Write the equation of the line. Don't forget the equation is y minus y1 equals slope times x minus x1. So they give us a point. They need the perpendicular rate of change. Perpendicular rate of change. So don't forget perpendicular is the negative reciprocal. Negative reciprocal. So in other words, if the slope is equal to 2, I flip the slope over and make it a negative. Okay? So that's the perpendicular slope right here. This is the perpendicular slope. And again, these are all in your notes and stuff already, so hopefully you've been taking good notes. If not, these are just little quick hints. All right, from a review assignment, guys, solve the right triangle. Remember, when you solve the right triangle, you're going to find all missing sides and angles. So on this one, we need to find side C, we need to find side A, and don't forget on this, you use SOHCAHTOA and your calculator. All right. So hopefully that helps some of you out. Have a good day, and we'll see you soon. Try to hit this stop sharing button. See ya.